The glute bridge is one of the most common exercises recommended by doctors, physical therapists, and trainers. It's a great way to build strength, improve flexibility, and protect your lower back. The problem is that most people don't do it correctly. When form is off, the lower back and hamstrings take over, leaving the glutes inactive. This not only keeps you from seeing results, but can also cause back pain and constant tightness in the hamstrings. Your glutes are supposed to be the powerhouse of your body. They drive you forward when walking, help you stand up straight when bending over, and support you when sitting down or getting up from a chair. Ideally, the glutes do most of the work, while the hamstrings and lower back only assist. But many people develop what's known as glute amnesia from too much sitting. When this happens, the hamstrings and back muscles take on extra load, causing stiffness, cramping, or even injury. That's why so many people say they feel the bridge in their hamstrings or back instead of their glutes. To fix this, the first step is to wake up your glute muscles. Lie on your back and place your fingers on your glutes. Practice tightening and relaxing them without moving your body. If you don't feel much, press your fingers into the muscle and try to push back against that pressure. This retrains your brain to activate the glutes. Once you can feel the muscles working, it's time for the bridge. Lie flat on your back, feet on the floor, heels close enough that you can touch them with your fingertips. Press through your heels and the inside and outside edges of your feet. Flatten your lower back gently into the floor, squeeze your glutes, and then lift your hips. At the top, your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Don't arch your back or flare your ribs. Lower down slowly while keeping your glutes engaged, then relax only at the bottom. If you still struggle, try squeezing a pillow between your knees, pressing your knees outward against the belt, keeping your thighs parallel, or lifting through just your heels. These tricks help shift the work back to your glutes where it belongs. Done correctly, the glute bridge is a powerful exercise that reduces back pain, loosens tight hamstrings, and builds real strength for everyday movement. The key isn't just doing it, but doing it the right way.